So I'm back. This is part 4 because it's super short, so I need to do it again. Wait, guys, because I'm fixing the makeup. See what happens. So okay, we're almost finished. So let's do the blush. Only one.